It's been really fun. Get to know things that we haven't really done.
It's also really interesting to learn more about books that we don't know.
So, like, we could reenact with kids, like, go back to memories from a long time ago.
It kind of taps into critical thinking for the kids as well as the teacher, how we discuss our opinions about the book, what we think might happen, so, which right here is our predictions. We also talk about maybe what lessons we might be learning from this book, or what might the book compare, because this book kind of compares technology versus nature. We took turns reading, and then we also take turns discussing, and we try not to interrupt others' conversation. So if someone's speaking, you wait till they're done with their opinion or their answer to the question, and then it's your turn. There's no right or wrong answer when we're having discussions. It's just someone else's opinion.
I feel also yes, because the more we are with more kids, the more interactive we get. This college is the best college for kids, so I recommend that you should come here.